Ever pushed code and broke something in production? That's why we have cicd, continuous integration and continuous deployment. Before cicd, shipping software meant manual steps, long wait times, and a lot of it works on my machine moments. Continuous integration, or CI, means that every time a developer pushes code, it's automatically built, tested, and merged into the main codebase. Think of it like a tireless robot that checks your homework every single time before you hit submit. Continuous deployment or delivery means that once your code passes all the checks, it can be deployed automatically or with just one click. That means less waiting around, more frequent releases, and way fewer of those dreaded Friday deploy nightmares. Modern CI/CD pipelines do more than just build and deploy. They run tests, lint your code, scan for security issues, and even roll back if things go wrong. CI/CD helps teams ship faster, safer, and with confidence, turning ideas into features users love at lightning speed. Big or small, most dev teams today use tools like GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Jenkins, or Vercel to automate the CI/CD journey, like fast, friendly tech explainers. Subscribe to TLDR Tech for bite-sized answers to big questions.